What's up, YouTube? Slow-Mo 8 coming at you again. It's been a while. I'm gonna give y'all a little updated shop tour of my little shop. Shop/toolbox tour. Start out with my box over here. And bottom box, top drawer. My socket drawer. Have all my 1/4 inch and 3/8 stuff on this side. Pretty much. I have a Milwaukee 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch fuel ratchet. A Craftsman set on this side. Have some 12-point 1/2 inch chrome sockets at the back. Some Milwaukee 3/8. Got my breaker bars in the back corner. 2 1/2 inches. A cheap Pittsburgh 1/2 inch ratchet. And a Cobalt 92 ratchet. Some Milwaukee 1/2 inch. And a Harbor Freight set. That's pretty much my socket drawer. Sockets and ratchets. Going down one from there. Screwdriver drawer. Pretty much all Milwaukees. Have a small file set in the back. Punches. Couple of Widowmakers. Precision screwdriver set. We're gonna move over one from that. Pretty much driver bits. Got a case of razor blades in the back. Couple of razors. Gonna move down from that. Sawzall blades. Couple of Pittsburghs. Long handle needle nose pliers. Gonna move on from that. Got a few things missing out of this drawer right now. But pretty much Milwaukee snips, dikes, crimpers, cable cutters, lineman pliers, strippers, adjustment pliers. Got a few vice grips missing out of it. Move down from that. That's where I keep my wrenches. Milwaukee nut drivers. A few different sets of Allen wrenches. Move over. This is where I keep all of my drill bits, pretty much. Drill bits, cut off wheels, flap discs. I have some jigsaw blades, step bits, concrete bits in the back. Move down from that one, more drill bits, drummer tool accessories, speed square, and line poppers. Down from that, got a few hammers in there, a few different levels. Empire, Milwaukee, Stanley's, 4 different Milwaukee tape measurers, oil filter wrenches, and some pry bars. Got an aluminum pipe wrench in there. Moving on down, got a couple of torque wrenches, 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch. I don't have a 3/8. Got some hole saws in there. Bolt cutters. Moving over. Milwaukee Sawzall. spotlight, staple gun, and a lantern. A few different Milwaukee spare batteries. I got a 2.0 and a 5.0 back there in 18 volts. And I have 3 M12 2.0s and a 4.0 spare for the Milwaukee tools. Got a Black & Decker jigsaw and a Harbor Freight multi-tool. Got some solder in there. Move down from that. This is where I keep pretty much the rest of my hand tools. Mostly all Milwaukee pretty much. Milwaukee angle grinder. M12 hack awl. 1/2-inch drill. 1/2-inch impact, the non-fuel model. I need to update that sometime soon. 3/8 impact, 1/4-inch impact driver, right angle impact. It's a bad little sucker here. I recently got. I fell in love with it. Stubby 1/2-inch impact. M12 Dremel tool and a M12 soldering iron. Move over from that one. And I have a Milwaukee heat gun and a Milwaukee palm sounder in that bag. That's pretty much the bottom box. Take a look in the top box. Let's see. Recessed light hole saw kit. Couple of grease guns in that one. This one I have some RC batteries. It's another one of my hobbies. This drawer. They have a voltmeter, a scan tool, and an air gun. Nothing much. That one's pretty much empty also. Nothing much in it. This one I have some spare sockets. This top drawer I have a tap and die set. Small tap and die set. Miscellaneous RC. Gears. That such. Some more RC paperwork. Things of that such. At the top, it's just a mess right now. I have a few old speakers up there. Milwaukee tool bag. Stand back and let you see that whole box. It's pretty much my toolbox setup. To the left over there, I got my lawn tools. A Ryobi electric weed eater. Come around here. Have a blower and a it's a Ryobi chainsaw and a Ryobi pole saw on that top shelf up there. Spray paints and liquids. Over here I got my RC controllers, a few extra RC tires, Milwaukee room light with a 9.0 battery in it. And over there I got a couple different buffers. Sitting here is my Yamaha Warrior 350 with it's a 396 now spin board. That's my Yamaha Warrior there. Across from the Warrior is my Polaris 500. Need to clean it up. It has 28-inch motor in-laws on it. On 14-inch MSA clutch wheels. Got a little stereo system I built. Need to clean it up some. This is my mud toy, Polaris 500. 2013 model. Let me see, over here on my work table, have a bench grinder, Ryobi charger. That's my RC batteries charger in that bag for the lipos. Milwaukee radio. Bunch of miscellaneous stuff up on the table. Little small 10-gallon compressor with a 75-foot hose reel. Portable air tank. Jack stands. Oh, over here on the side of my toolbox, have a floor jack. Harbor Freight 3-ton floor jack. Up under there, I have another little small floor jack. Let me see. My shelves to the right. Got my drag radius on the top. Couple more wheels from a Tahoe. Let me see what kind of tools I got over here. Milwaukee blower. Has a 9.0 battery in it. Milwaukee 12.0 high output battery. Milwaukee 6-bay charger. It has 3 18s and 3 12 volts. It's a tool I never even used. I don't know really why I bought it, but I liked it. Milwaukee cutoff tool. Fuel model. You see it still look new. It's not even dusty. Milwaukee circular saw sitting back there. And a Milwaukee measuring wheel. What else over here? Couple spare trailer tires for my 4-wheeler trailer. That bag, I keep all my scraps in it. Up here is just a few covers for my cars and the 4-wheelers. Oil drain buckets. On that shelf there, I have my 3 RCs. That's my 100 mile per hour Rustler. My Traxxas Bandit. It does about 70 miles per hour. And that's my yard toy, the Traxxas Stampede. So, and hanging on the shelf, I have a Milwaukee underhood light. That's that Milwaukee underhood light. You work on cars, you definitely need to get one of those. Another thing that's changed since the last video I made, I insulated and skinned the inside of the shop. I bought some. It was a local business going out of business. So what I did, I bought some tan from them, secondhand insulation out of their building, put it in my shop. I added a mini split also. Little split unit. Does a good job of heating and cooling my shop. My shop is only a 20 by 21. It's not that big, but I need a bigger one now. Hanging over there on the wall, a creeper. Then over here on the Regal, waiting on some parts to come in for it. I'm in the process of doing a big brake kit. Waiting on the calipers now. Got those 14-inch rotors installed. I got some S10 blade suspenders on it. I would start it up, but don't have any front brakes on it right now. Over there, I got some new tires, some wheels for the Regal. What else I've done to the Regal? Let's see. I've added a retard box in a progressive system from a nitrous. Put in a new satin compressor, Dirty Dingo brackets. Had to go get the lines made for it. Charge it up. whenever the rest of my parts come in, so I can get it moving again. That's the record pretty much. What else have I done? I got a new console made for it also. It's dirty, I've been working on it, but that's that new center console. New back deck also. About to be car show season in a while. That's my little shop. Gets the job done for now. Another little Milwaukee light hanging on the side of my box. It's magnetic. Little Duralast max brake pads I'm gonna put on the Regal. Whenever those calipers and the caliper brackets make it in, should be in the bar hopefully. Ready to get it done so I can get it cleaned up. Get ready for the dyno. Put my drag radius in my. Put the drag radius on, see what it does this year. Got a few more little upgrades in the motor. It has a new Circle D converter in it. New Circle D converter, new trans, few new little things in the motor, new brakes. Put a X10 master cylinder on it. That's a Singer 370 amp alternator. We go up a little bit on the nitro shot also this year. See what it does. That's pretty much it. My little shop at the house. Nothing much, but gets the job done. Slow my weight signing out.